when I got to know कि मैं अपना debut रणदीप हुडा के साथ कर रही हूँ, I was like, wow, is it really happening? The way this year is going, I doubt कि मुझे time मिलेगा एक reality show को 3 से 4 महीने देने का.
Hello everyone, welcome to peepingmoon.com. I'm Rashida Sahani and today I'm extremely pleased to be chatting with Akanksha Puri, who has honestly killed us all with her dance moves in her latest music video, Dangerous.
Thank
Hi
you.
Akanksha.
Hi.
Welcome. Hi, how have you been?
I've been good, yeah. Just enjoying all the response that I'm getting for Dangerous, all the compliments, and I'm so happy with people loved me in this. Every time, whatever I do, I get this feedback, and I'm glad that they like all my colors, all my shades.
I know, yeah. So that's exactly what my first question is. Dangerous has received so much love, particularly your performance in it. We see you in this really hot avatar in the video. So how do you feel about that?
Yeah, very nice. And I was quite excited because I was shooting with director Gifty for the first time, and I've been a big fan of his all Guru Randhawa songs, Lahore, Surma, this, that. So I really wanted to shoot with him. And then Shrey and me have a good bond. We come a long way because we did our first song together, which was Jahan Tum Ho, 4 years back with Ahmed Khan. And I think that was quite viral. And that's why I'm really, really happy that I got to shoot with this team. And Dangerous is quite peppy. It's a different number from what jo main kar rahi hu usse kafi alag. So it was really nice.
I know, and I actually saw the video. All your looks have been put together really nicely. So tell me something about all your looks.
Yes, I'm getting that feedback, and this time I tried different. There were 3 looks, and मुझे था कि मैं तीनों looks completely different करूं. हर look एक look से अलग होना चाहिए completely. So this is what I've tried, and it worked in my favor. And team बहुत अच्छी थी. Director was quite clear कि उन्हें क्या looks चाहिए, कैसा दिखेगा song. So when you work with a professional team जिनको इतनी clarity हो, तो works become easy सबके लिए. And that's why I think we got this result.
I'm sure, correct.
Yeah.
And how was it collaborating with Shrey Singhal? I think your chemistry also with him looks really nice in the video.
I think it's nice, yaar. And he's like a one-man army. Music भी Shrey का है, lyrics भी Shrey के हैं. Shrey खुद act कर रहा है, singer Shrey है. So I think he's quite talented guy and बहुत ही independent artist है. Without banner, without brand, he's released his song, which really needs guts, I think, these days, especially with the kind of log jaisa collaborations kar rahe hain. So, being independent and releasing on your YouTube channel itself needs a lot of guts. And he did that, and as a response still, and I'm quite happy, yaar. I want to shoot more with him, and I think ab next hamara kuch slow romantic sa hona chahiye. Because we've tried our hands on different kind of things. So this time, let's see. If he shoots, because Shrey गाने बहुत कम करते हैं, 1-1.5 साल में, I think that's his ratio, 1 साल में 1 song. So yeah, I would love to shoot with him though.
And we would actually love to see you both again.
Thank you. Yes.
Okay. And, Akanksha, tell me something about your web show with Randeep Hooda, because when the announcement was made, everyone was very excited to see this fresh pair, because these days we don't see much of fresh pairings, and this coming across as something very new. So tell me something about it.
See, I think Randeep, because I'm sure like all girls, Randeep की सभी बहुत फैन है. मैं खुद when I got to know कि मैं अपना debut रणदीप हुडा के साथ कर रही हूँ, I was like, wow, is it really happening? And जब मैं set पे for the first time, मेरे सारे के सारे scenes रणदीप हुडा के साथ हैं और किसी के साथ मेरे scenes ही नहीं है. So I was like कि wow, ये collaboration को लेके मैं बहुत excited थी. थोड़ी सी nervous थी because Randeep is known for perfection, and वो बहुत हर चीज में बहुत इन्वॉल्व होते हैं, बहुत परफेक्ट हैं, अपनी सारी सीन्स को बहुत रिहर्स करते हैं. मैंने भी काफी कुछ सुना था. तो आई थिंक हम लोग वर्कशॉप पे मिले ऑफिस में, एंड रीडिंग की उन्होंने मेरे साथ, एंड आई वाज लाइक कि ओके, इनको रीडिंग की जरूरत भी है क्या? And but he came and I was so happy उनका involvement देख के, and you know अपने कोस्ट उन्हें मेरे lines मेरे scenes में भी इतना involved जिसमें शायद उनके ज्यादा reaction नहीं भी थे, still उनका equal वही involvement, आज भी वो वैसे ही काम करते हैं जैसे कि उनका first project हो. So you know, so much to learn from an artist like him. I was like, he made me so comfortable, बहुत ही friendly atmosphere था. Director नीरज पाठक, he and me also share a very good bond. So मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि फाइनली मैंने ये काम किया. एंड ये प्रोजेक्ट मुझे एक्चुअली मेरी मीटिंग 2 से 2.5 साल पहले हुई थी. यू विल बी सरप्राइज. जब मैं शो कर रही थी मेरी इस प्रोजेक्ट के लिए मीटिंग तब हुई थी. तब मुझे पता भी नहीं था कि मैं ये करने वाली हूँ. एंड वो शायद मुझे ही करना था, इसलिए प्रोजेक्ट भी पोस्टपोन हो गया एंड सब कुछ. एंड फाइनली आज भी मैं ही कर रही हूँ. सो आई एम ग्लैड कि फाइनली जिसका जो काम होता है वो उसे ही मिलता है. आई ऑलवेज बिलीव. एंड यस आई एम हियर. एंड आई जस्ट होप मैं रणदीप के साथ और काम करूं. मतलब शूट खत्म हो गया तो मुझे लगा ओ गॉड यार, अभी तो ये भी करना चाहिए था, वो भी करना चाहिए था. बट लेट्स सी, होपफुली वर्क मोर इन फ्यूचर.
True, yeah, definitely. We would be hoping to see more of you, both of you together.
Thank you.
Most welcome. And you know, Akanksha, there is this humor every now and then that you are going to participate in Big Boss, ye season, wo season. Is it going to happen? Are we going to see you in it?
You know, the way things are going यार right now, मैं already दूसरी मेरी shoot start हो रही है अभी. that is Amazon Prime की series. मैंने already 2 series साथ में sign की थी आगे पीछे. And now I am shooting for this another series और इसका भी कुछ balance बचा है. And already third is in my hand, which again I'll be announcing. तो back to back 3 बड़ी series में shoot कर रही हूँ. And then I have already signed a South का project. So a lot of things are happening back to back. तो the way this year is going, I doubt कि मुझे टाइम मिलेगा एक रियलिटी शो को 3 से 4 महीने देने का. बिकॉज मुझे मेरा काम इतने महीने फ्री नहीं रखने वाला है अभी. एंड जिस रीजन के लिए आई लेफ्ट माई शो वॉज बिकॉज आई वॉन्टेड टू एक्सप्लोर माई सेल्फ एज एन आर्टिस्ट, लाइक माई क्रिएटिविटी. सो आई थिंक रियलिटी शो डेफिनेटली विल टेक अ बैक सीट अभी के लिए, क्योंकि विद द वे वर्क इज गोइंग. बट डेफिनेटली इन फ्यूचर इट्स नॉट कि मैंने अपने आप को रिस्ट्रिक्ट किया है, मैं रियलिटी शो नहीं करना चाहती. मैं डेफिनेटली करूंगी आगे. बट अभी माई दिस वर्क इज माई प्रायोरिटी. रियलिटी मेरे लिए अभी थोड़ा इसके बाद आता है. तो लेट्स सी हाउ इट. आई एम जस्ट टेकिंग एवरीथिंग विद द फ्लो. उस टाइम मैं क्या कर रही हूँ और क्या मुझे ऑफर कुछ हो रहा है सही टाइम पे. सो लेट्स सी, आई विल टेक अ डिसीजन अकॉर्डिंगली. बट डेफिनेटली होगा तो मैं बताऊंगी. ये जो लास्ट ईयर भी लोग अज्यूम कर रहे थे कि मैं जा रही हूँ and I kept saying मैं नहीं जा रही हूँ. Nobody believed me unless the show started. But please, I hope people believe me when I say I'm going. I'll definitely go. When I'm saying I'm not going, I'll not go. So like that.
Okay, I think people are so excited to see you inside that they just start this, rumor that no, वो तो जा रही है.
So I think ये excitement रहना चाहिए उनका, क्योंकि ये surprise package, because you know I am a little close personality. बहुत सारे मेरे surprise मतलब काफी कुछ चीजें हैं मेरे बारे में जो लोगों को शायद नहीं पता है. And मैं थोड़ा सा अपने आप को close रखती हूँ. And I think this is one reason कि लोग मुझे reality में शायद देखना चाहते हैं. So let's see how it happens this year or next year or whenever.
Definitely, yeah. And Akanksha, now we have this really twisted this or that, question and answer round with you. That is of dangerous edition. So you have to tell me what is more dangerous. So I'll just ask you what it is.
Okay.
So what is more dangerous according to you? Cheating on your partner or being cheated?
Being cheated, yeah. Actually, cheating itself is, but being cheated definitely, it's dangerous.
Okay. Breaking up or having someone break up with you?
Having someone break up with you, because it breaks you up.
Yeah. Okay. Getting your phone photos leaked or your WhatsApp chat leaked?
Photos तो मैं ज़्यादा I think नहीं, but chat में मेरे बहुत कुछ होता है, तो WhatsApp chat definitely is more dangerous.
Okay. Yeah. Drinking water and gaining weight or never being able to go to the gym?
See, gymming I go if, but मुझे लगता है मैं हवा से भी weight put on कर सकती हूँ. मेरा metabolism इतना अजीब है. So I am somebody who has to hit gym. So I think that scares me is food or eating something and putting on weight. But gym तो मैं रोज जाती हूँ.
Okay, that's great. Getting mobbed at a public place or having no one recognize you?
I think mocked at a public place because I anyways keep it little low. So मुझे कोई ना ही recognize करे, I'm okay with that. But mocked is dangerous.
Okay. Losing all your hair or having to or never getting to get waxed?
Never getting what?
Never getting to get waxed.
Waxed. I am blessed. I am a non-hairy girl because of my genetics. So losing all my hair because I love my hair.
Okay. And losing your phone or losing your wallet?
I think losing my phone. Wallet to mostly, I think hardly we guys keep anything thanks to the Notebandi. So I think losing phone.
Okay. And last one is like a funny one. So modifying your tattoo or getting the tattoo made?
That bang on. So I think modification to बहुत easy हो जाता है कभी भी आप modify कर दें. But tattoo बनवाना is quite dangerous. This is what I feel now.
Yeah.
Wow. I love the way you figured out these questions.
Thank you.
That was
okay. Thank you so much. Okay. So lastly, I have this would you rather questions for you. So would you rather never act for the rest of your life or never dance for the rest of your life?
Whoa, ये बहुत difficult है. I love them
tricky
both.
One. Yeah.
Very tricky. But I think dancing मैं फिर भी छोड़ दूंगी, but acting नहीं छोड़ सकती. I think that is something which is my food, my water, my air. Like I live like to act. So acting मैं कभी नहीं छोड़ना चाहती.
I'm sure. And we would never want you to leave any of these.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Would you rather do only TV shows for the rest of your life or participate only in reality shows?
I think TV shows because I feel कि मैं reality तो पता नहीं, but action बोलते ही there's a different Akanksha that comes. So I think TV shows or rather acting, I would say, because in reality you're not acting. And like I told you, acting is something that I love. अगर मैं किसी reality show में कभी भी जाऊंगी तो मैं act तो definitely नहीं करूंगी. I would love to be real.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So would you rather play the role of a mother but the lead role or play your age as a supporting role?
See, for me, age bracket characters में मैं नहीं देखना चाहती. अगर मेरे लिए character अच्छा है, वो mother, grandmother, किसी चीज का भी है, I really don't mind. My character should speak. And the show should be about me. It should be, I should be leading the show. So I think मेरे लिए फर्क नहीं पड़ता मुझे कि character किस age bracket का है. Character अपने आप में होना चाहिए. So that is what matters.
That's great thinking, actually.
Yeah.
Okay. Would you rather date someone from the industry or be with someone who's not related to the industry?
I think not related to the industry. मुझे लगता है कि industry के लोगों की life में मुझे लगता है वो cut ही नहीं होता. With my experience, what I feel, मुझे लगता है real life में भी acting ही कर रहे होते हैं. वो अपनी बातें भी ऐसे ही बोल रहे होते हैं. It's a part of the script कि हमें telecast क्या हो रहा है. तो मैं किसी ऐसे से शायद अब life में मिलना चाहूंगी जो इस profession से ना हो. I think maybe, but you never know. यार life में जो plan करते हैं वो होता नहीं है. I just want to take life like how it's going with the flow. So let's see what happens. So no restrictions, but if given a choice, someone not.
Lastly, would you rather do a lot of films but be left with no money or have a lot of money but no films?
No money is okay. मैं compromise कर सकती हूँ पैसों में, but I want to work like I do.
Okay.
So great.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much, Akanksha, for chatting with me. That was one fun chat.
Really,
I must tell
and
you.
I love the way you put the questions across. It was so much fun. Thank you.
Thank you. I'll be waiting to see you more in all the dangerous videos.
Thank you.